What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in this episode we're gonna talk about car code readers, which is a diagnostic tool that allows you to find out what's wrong on your car. Now, in a perfect world, we would talk with our dealer. He's gonna charge you 140-150 pounds just to plug a cable in your OBD2 port. So through their computer, they're gonna scan the car, find what's the code and how to fix the problem. But what if I tell you we can actually do this with our phone? We can actually read the codes, find the problem and how to fix it. Now, before going in with the video, please take a moment and consider to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell on, sit back and enjoy the video. So the car is on, OBD2 device plugged in, car scan open. So before connecting your device directly, I'll suggest you to go to the setting up here and click on connection. At this point you're gonna select the device you bought or you have already. You click on select device, it's gonna show you a list of devices available through the Bluetooth. And you're gonna select the device you bought. In this case I bought the VPIC device, and it's gonna show a little icon like the OBD2 device. Doing so, we can definitely go and connect and see what's happened. So connection is done. Let's see what we can do with this app. You have a few things you can do. What we're gonna talk today is gonna be the diagnostic trouble codes to see what's wrong with your car. It's gonna show you a list, very long list of sensors that you can check. If you're not sure what your car have or don't have, you just select all on the top. Everything is gonna click on, and then you can read the codes down here. Let's read the codes, let's see what's happened. So I already know something is going on with my car. I have already did this before and I have a list of a few errors to fix. So we can see here we have 102 sensors to check, and the first few sensors already have some problem. We can click on the error and see what is it through Google. So let's speed up the process, so let's talk at the end. So the scan is over. Let's see what's going on here. We have straight away, you can see some errors are double already. It's absolutely the same error, but it bothers more than one unit. So in this case, OBD2 engine control, there is one more here which is the same as the top one. So now what you're gonna do with this error, how to resolve this error? You have a few opportunities. You can localize the error and fix it yourself. You can simply click on the code error. It's gonna come directly on Google. It's gonna already preset a search result. You just go through the search and find what's wrong with your car. If you believe this is a mistake error, you can simply clear all the errors here. It doesn't mean you resolve the problem. it means you give an opportunity to the car to reset. Some of these errors may come up by mistake, so when you're gonna clear them on, it's gonna restart. So let's clear the error, let's see what's happened. I know some of these errors what are already. I've been already researching online each of them, and I definitely find a website with all the BMW codes error that explain where is the error, how to fix it. So we're gonna talk in a little bit about that. Meanwhile, let's clear the error. Let's see what's happened. Clear. Okay. Clearing was complete. So all errors now has been cleared. Alright. I want to take a little break here. I want to explain that this doesn't mean that you fixed the problem on your car. Some error can come up by mistake, so clearing with this app, it definitely helps the car. It may restore your start and stop, maybe, you don't know, just try it. It's not absolutely gonna interfere with anything on your car. This app, it's only for reading and clearing, that's it. You can read live updates, live data, what's going on with the car, RPM, speed, all that crap, but absolutely cannot modify in any way your ECU or whatever the sensor you are trying to clear here. So as I said, some errors can simply not appear anymore. Probably they come up by mistake, but if in 24 hours you're gonna scan again and you see the same error like yesterday appearing up, you definitely need to look into that. Your car needs maintenance. After all it's been said, I hope you consider to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell on. Of course, if you have any question, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as soon as I can. Of course, I read every single comment you guys leave, and thank you very much for watching. Peace!